Let's start learning.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Tom Teaches Again. Today we're going to take a look at something we see a lot of every day. Shapes. Look around. Tiles on the floor have a shape. Basketballs or soccer balls have shapes. Windows have a shape. Everything we see has a certain shape to it. Today we're going to take a look at plane shapes. No, that doesn't mean an airplane. A plane shape is a flat shape. Let's define some terms to help us understand what that means. A plane shape is two-dimensional. Think of a box. A box has length, width, and depth. That's 3 dimensions. Now, look at one side of the box. This side only has 2 dimensions, length and width. Plane shapes have only 2 dimensions. Plane shapes are flat. They have no thickness. Plane shapes are also bounded. That means they have boundaries or sides. These boundaries can be made of straight lines or curved lines. Plane shapes are also closed. They start and end at the same point, forming a complete figure. And they're found on a flat surface, which in geometry is called a plane. Hence the name plane shape. There are several kinds of plane shapes. We'll talk about 2. The first kind of a plane shape is a polygon. Polygons are shapes whose sides are made up of straight lines. One kind of polygon is a triangle. A tricycle is a kind of bicycle with 3 wheels. A triangle is a plane shape with 3 sides and 3 angles or corners, also known as vertices. There are several kinds of triangles. Our next kind of polygon is a quadrilateral. Some folks like to drive their quads on dirt roads. A quad is a vehicle with 4 wheels. The word quadrilateral literally means 4-sided. Quadrilaterals are figures with 4 sides and 4 angles or vertices. A square is a quadrilateral with 4 equal sides and 4 corners that are right angles. A right angle is like a corner in a room. Angles are measured in degrees, and a right angle is 90 degrees. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles for corners. Another kind of quadrilateral is a rectangle. A rectangle also has 4 right angle corners, but the sides are not all equal. Each opposite pair of sides equals the other. There are several other kinds of quadrilaterals too. 5-sided figures are called pentagons. 6-sided figures are hexagons. 7-sided figures are heptagons. 8-sided figures are octagons. Nice work following along. But do all plane shapes have to have straight sides? No. Some plane shapes have curved sides. These shapes are called curvilinear figures. Curvilinear means having curved lines. The most familiar curvilinear figure is a circle. A circle is a shape with no straight sides. Any line drawn from the center of the circle to the edge will always be the same length. Clocks, plates, and frisbees are examples of things we see that are circles. Our second example of a curvilinear figure is an oval. Like a circle, an oval has no straight sides, but not every line from the center of the oval to the edge will be the same length. An oval is like a stretched circle. Eggs, some mirrors, and lemons can have an oval shape. Great job listening. Let's review what we've learned today. A plane shape is a flat shape. A plane shape is 2-dimensional. It has only 2 dimensions, length and width. Plane shapes are also bounded. That means they have boundaries or sides. Plane shapes are also closed. They start and end at the same point, forming a complete figure. And they are found on a flat surface, which in geometry is called a plane. Two types of plane shapes are polygons and curvilinear figures. A polygon is a plane shape whose sides are straight lines. Some examples of polygons are the triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, and octagon. A curvilinear figure is a plane shape with no straight sides. Two kinds of curvilinear figures are the circle and the oval. Nice work, everyone. Parents, teachers, and homework helpers, please be sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. A like will really help the channel, so please be sure to give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for being here today. I look forward to seeing you again. Take care, and remember, it never hurts to be nice.